Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less vessels in your kitchen. We all love home-cooked meals, but the pile of dirty dishes afterward can be daunting. By adopting a few clever strategies, you can significantly cut down on cleanup time. This approach not only saves effort, but also makes your cooking experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Let's dive into some practical tips to achieve a tidier kitchen. One of the best ways to reduce dishes is by embracing one-pot meals. Imagine preparing a delicious stew, pasta, or roasted chicken and vegetables all in just one cooking vessel. This method minimizes cleanup dramatically. Remember to layer your ingredients, adding longer cooking items first, and use flavorful liquids such as vegetable broth or wine to build rich, complex tastes without extra bowls. Smart preparation is key to a cleaner kitchen. Instead of many small bowls, layer your chopped vegetables on one large cutting board in the order you'll add them to your dish. A food scale allows you to measure ingredients directly into your main pot, eliminating measuring cups. Invest in versatile tools like a sturdy chef's knife for multiple tasks or kitchen shears for snipping herbs and cutting meat. Developing efficient cleanup habits during cooking can save you a lot of time. As you finish with a utensil or bowl, give it a quick rinse or wash it immediately. For stubborn pots and pans, fill them with warm, soapy water to soak while you enjoy your meal. For ultimate efficiency, serve your food directly from the cooking vessel and then cover it for storing leftovers, reducing extra serving dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.